A new state audit report found gaps in COVID-19 data released by the state of Florida.
This report was released by Florida's Auditor General, and it found that state officials sometimes delayed the release of some important information, including the number of deaths. News Channel 8's Brittany Muller is joining us now live with more on this story.
Keith, Jen, the report found certain COVID-19 data to be inaccurate in 2020. State auditors say that data was critical to the state's response to COVID-19, and it may have affected how officials dealt with the disease. The Florida Auditor General's office found that the number of deaths reported by the state did not match the number of COVID-19 related deaths recorded by Florida's Office of Vital Statistics. As a result, thousands of deaths may not have been reported accurately in 2020. According to the report, state data was sometimes incomplete, failing to include information on demographics. In other cases, positive test results were not entered correctly.
That we're owed an apology, and we are owed policy changes that prevent this kind of thing from ever happening again. The public is entitled to critical information during a crisis. That has been my fight for the last 2 years. And if the situation is worse than what the state wants to tell us, then we have a right to know that.
Rebecca Jones was the data scientist who helped create Florida's COVID-19 dashboard. Jones claims she was asked to manipulate COVID-19 data 2 years ago. She was later fired. But it's important to note, the Auditor General's report was conducted separately from Jones' allegations.
Hope that every person in the state government who is seeing this report and reading it feels empowered now to come forward.
The report found the DOH did not routinely check the data for any discrepancies. Additionally, auditors say the department's records did not always contact trace. State health officials say oftentimes they did not have enough staff to make it happen. Now, in response to that audit, Florida Surgeon General Joseph Oladipo says he agrees with those findings, saying the Florida Department of Health has launched an action plan which will be completed by the end of this year. Reporting live in Tampa, Brittany Muller, 8 on your side.